Remember, we just kind of turn this corner and we go right into the lawn. So like, and I can never, oh my God! Oh my God! Ready? Yeah! Whee! I love that air time. Oh, here we go! Whee! Ready? Twisty bits! Oh my gosh! All right, we can catch our breath here. Get ready for it.
And we go again.
Oh! Get ready, more twistiness! Whee! All right, here we go. This is the ultimate twisty part. Ready, twisty! And we get an airtime hill. What do you get?
Bunny hill 1, bunny hill 2.
Whee! All right. Oh my gosh, how'd you do?
I love this ride.
I do too. It's so much fun.